Good afternoon. It's my third video for the children. Today I'm going to describe about dicot and monocot plants. Their differences on the basis of seed, leaf, root, stem, flower, and whether they are woody or herbaceous. Children, this is completely botanical type of project. That's why I'm trying to describe you all these things in my garden, so that please see in my garden. This is my kitchen garden, and this is my small flower garden. This is backward of my house. So since it's been long time we did not meet due to COVID-19, and I miss all the children, and please you see this video and it feels that you and me, we are together in the class. I feel very sad to take this class from my home, and whether it reaches to your place or not, anyway I hope you will see it. This class is for class 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Basically I have categorized these differences between the monocot and dicot plants, and class 6, 7 children, you can see the first three differences, simple differences I made, and other three, that is for 8, 9 and 10. First of all, I would like to describe you monocot and dicot, where they lie in the plant kingdom. So in plant kingdom, monocot and dicot lies in this way. Please you see there's whole this plant kingdom is categorized into flowering plants and non-flowering plants, and non-flowering plants are cryptogams and flowering plants are phanerogams. And these non-flowering plants are divided in this way: thallophyta, bryophyta and pteridophyta. Thallophyta is again further divided into algae, bacteria and fungi, and their example: algae like volvox and spirogyra, bacteria like lactobacilli, and fungi like molds, mushroom and so on. Bryophyta are liverwort, mosses and pteridophyta ferns, which is very common in our place. And in another hand, flowering plants, they are also categorized into two categories. They are called gymnosperm and angiosperm. And what are gymnosperm? They are the naked seeded plants. Naked seeded means they don't have the seed coat in their seed, and angiosperm are close seeded plants. And angiosperm is further divided into two main categories. They are called monocotyledon and dicotyledon. You know, mono means one, cotyledon means seed leaf, and di means two or double, cotyledon means seed leaf. It means, it is clear from its name, monocotyledon means single seed leaf and dicotyledon means double seed leaf. Monocotyledon like rice, wheat, maize, etc. Dicotyledon, for example, gram, pea, etc. And dicotyledons are also further subdivided, and they are called herb like pea and gram, serve, they are rose, and tree like mangoes. So in this way I think you found that where the monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants lie. That is, let me summarize this. In plant kingdom there are two categories, flowering and non-flowering, and flowering plants, they are called phanerogams. Phanerogams is divided into two categories, gymnosperm and angiosperm, and angiosperm is again further subdivided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon, and monocotyledon means single seed leaf and dicotyledon means double or two seed leaves in their seeds. So this way monocot and dicot, they belong in the angiosperm. Angiosperm belongs in the flowering plants. So you must know these things. And now the second part of this is, let me show you some seeds of the plants and how these seeds look like. And here I have collected and soaked these seeds for nearly 6 hours in water. And here we have, this is pea, and this is maize, and here we have soybean, and similarly here we have gram, and here we have mango, and here we have pumpkin, and small seeds are also there. This is rice, you can see this, and maize I already told you, and mustard seeds are also collected here. So they are very tiny, it may find very difficult to see you. Anyway, I hope you will see these things. And here paddy, that is rice, it is there, and so many other seeds are also collected. I'll show you how these seeds are structured. First of all, let me take a pea, and this is a pea, and how it looks like is seed coat is already removed. When we soak this in water, the outer covering of this seed that consists seed coat, and this seed coat is already removed. Now it is the seed coat of these pea plants, pea seeds. And similarly, and when we take out this seed, and it is clearly, you can see that two seed leaf. Can you see this seed leaf? Two seed leaves are there. This is a single seed, and where you can find this can be divided into two equal half. See this one more time. Oh, it is broken. So I'll show you another one. No matter, I have sufficient seed, and you see this. Yes, please. And similarly, the next one, this is mango seed. This is, I have collected this mango seed. I will cut it, its seed coat. I will take out this seed coat. My friends are telling something. Please, what happened here? Okay, and this is, I have cut this in this way. Slowly I will take out this seed coat. The seed coat of this mango seed is very hard, and please don't try yourself this way, and please take elder's help. Oh, the seed coat is removed, and this is a seed coat, very hard, and now it is the seed. Now let me find this seed, and let me divide, and whether it divides into two equal half or not. Slowly I will use this. I'm not using this for making two. Let me remove this layer. Oh, it is very difficult. It is not mature, I think. That's why. Oh, you see, this is divided into two equal half, and some seeds, they can be divided into two equal half. This is single seed, but it is divided into two equal half. But these seeds, like this rice, it cannot be divided into two equal half. Maize also, let me try this. No, it is not happening like that of pea, gram and mango. This cannot be divided into two equal half, since it has only one seed leaf. So these are the seeds. And pumpkin, you can see that pumpkin, how their seeds are, and it can be divided very easily into two equal half. You see, the seed coat of this is also very strong relative to other, and you see it is like that of mango, and now it is divided into two equal half. See here, and this is also dicot. I mean, some seeds here, some seed here, they can be divided into two equal half, and some of the seeds, they cannot be divided into two equal half. It means very clearly these seeds are, some are double cotyledon and some are single cotyledon. So that's why it is called dicotyledon and monocotyledon. Now these are about seeds. Now let me talk about how the difference of this dicot and monocot occurs. Let me describe this with this chart, and You please see this and I will explain one by one. And now this is the differences between monocotyledon and dicotyledon. So monocotyledon, the differences between monocotyledon and dicotyledon on different bases I made. First of all, seed, and that seed is one cotyledon in monocotyledons and two cotyledons or double cotyledons in dicotyledon. This I already show you. And then on the basis of leaves, how they look like. The leaf of the monocotyledon is venation of leaf is parallel. So let me show you. Can you give me that sugar cane, please? Sugar cane, please. Yes, that leaf. Where you were, my boy? Now see this sugar cane. Now you see. Now see. This is a midrib, and this the vein. It has parallel venation, and that means the leaves are like venation of leaf is parallel. When we break this in this way, it goes on to one. This is due to parallel venation. Whereas in dicot, we can see the reticulate venation. It look like a net-like structure. You see midrib and the branches are coming, but it does not go like that of the sugar canes. You see, it goes in this way. Some in this go in this way. So this is a midrib, and similarly the branches are coming and secondary, tertiary, and so on. So this is reticulate venation. This leaf, what we call reticulate venation, pumpkin's leaf, and this is all reticulate. Come this way and this way, this way. But in the that one leaf of the maize, please. Leaf only. Yes, thank you. One leaf. You see, this is the leaf of maize, and it also has the midrib only, and the other venation are parallel. It goes this way. You see, it goes this way, and here it is also in the same way. So all these are parallel venation. So on the basis of the leaf, their difference is venation of leaf is parallel in monocot, and venation is reticulate. That means net-like structures there. And now in the third difference is that is they have adventitious roots. Means monocots have adventitious root. That maize plant, please. Adventitious roots. From that seed you have seen that the maize is monocot. Now see the root, and this I have washed in running water, and now you can see there is no main root. All roots are coming from its basal part. See, all this basal part, there is no main root, and these all look like a main root. So it is from the basal part of this maize plant, and it's, see, there's a maize here, it is, and here also leaf, stem, it is there. Okay, and I will show you this again. And now this is black eye bean, pea. This is what we call black eyed pea, and its venation is also, the root is also main root, and the secondary, primary, secondary, and tertiary roots are coming from this part. Similarly, this is a pumpkin, and now you see the pumpkin. This you can see from its leaf, and now here it is the root, main root, primary root, and from the primary root, secondary root to the small root like things, root here, and so on. So this is dicot. The root of the dicot is, you see here, the root of dicot is taproot system, and the root of this monocot is fibrous root system, like that of maize and these things. Now, and the stem of the monocot and dicots are also different. They scatter vascular bundles. Means vascular bundle mean, you know, it is xylem and phloem. They are scattered all over, and there is no ring like things. and so that its branch is also weak. And but in the dicot plants, ring like pattern of vascular bundles are seen, and some of the plants you can see that one ring shows 1 year, and if there are 80 rings, that means the plant is 80 years old. So you can find this way. The flower of the monocot and dicot are also different. I'm sorry I could not collect the flower of monocot, and this is not found in my garden. So I'll show you the flower of these dicot plants. What is dicot plants flower? They have tetra tetramerous or pentamerous, means the flower is 5 petals here. 1 2 3 4 5 is a multiple of 5, so it is called pentamerous. And similarly here we have the sponge gourd, and this sponge gourd, and its is also of the multiple of tetramerous or pentamerous. Here it is, I think it is pentamerous. This part is gone, so let it be. So, and how the stem look like? The stem of the monocot is, they are herbaceous, very weak, and they can be broken easily, and this we can break in this way very easily. And the maize, can you give me that maize plant please? And you see this, it looks like very strong stem, but it's due to its vascular bundle, scatter vascular bundle, not in the ring structure, they can be break easily in this way, you see. And but you give me that stick. This stick I collected from the dicot plants, and but with that force which I use for maize plant, I can't break this because it consists the woody type of, you give me that, woody type of stem, and this can be used for as a timber plants as well. Children, I think I'm clear about monocot and dicot plants, and this I will show, I will describe in the due course of time as well. Please find this matter, and I prefer this on the basis of seed, leaves and roots. This is for class 6 and 7, and stem, including these three, stem, flower, whether they are woody or herbaceous, and this is for class 8 to 10. And I think I'm clear about the monocot and dicot plants, and thank you very much for watching me. And at the same time, this is very precious time that you have more time, or you spend more time at home, this due to COVID-19. So please, you stay at home, be safe, and find the matters from the net, and like these videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Yuvraj Pandey, my science teacher Yuvraj Pandey, you know that. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next video. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much. Bye bye.